Alrighty, thank you everyone for joining us this Sunday afternoon. Beautiful Sunday, sunny from the sunny Queensland here. I'm from Queensland, Australia. Wherever you're from, we have people from New Zealand. We have people from obviously Melbourne, Sydney, and Brisbane, and we also have my wonderful sisters from Kuala Lumpur. Welcome everybody to tonight, this afternoon, I should say, tonight, Zoom. And very unusual. Normally we do Zoom a lot of time at night, but trying to do a little bit more friendlier time for our Kiwi friends. Always 9 o'clock, it's 11 o'clock for them. It's getting a bit late. So we thought sometime we can do a little bit more during the day so that it's not too late for them. And I thank you for everyone to take your time this afternoon to come and join and listen to this opportunity. So we are called Epic Trading, okay? Epic Trading is a company that trade forex. There's two arms to the business. So I will go through that slowly a little bit throughout the slide. So the company is called Epic. Epic is stand for exceptional people, incredible compensation. So that is the name how it's created. So, all right, Let's go. So I'm sure some of you have done network marketing before. Some of you probably have more experience than the other, but people that sometimes say, this marketing has been so many people on top, they're making a lot of money, but I'm not coming very early in the company, but this is an opportunity for you. So for people that like to be first in the company, this is an opportunity for you. That's why you say, shouldn't you be the first at least once in your life, meaning you'll be right on the beginning when the company just started, yeah? So this company only started on the 1st of September, so we are only just under 2 weeks into our pre-launch. September is our pre-launch, so it will be officially launched on the 1st of October, okay? Who are we? So Epic is a global company that provides an environment for people of all backgrounds to learn for a lifelong skill of forex trading, while it's also pursuing the financial dream and goal. So most people have financial dream and goal. The bigger the dream is, the bigger the goals, okay, which is exciting. So the team of Epic has more than 100 years of successful business in MLM experience, yeah? If you know about MLM, some people are building like 7 figures income. Those are the people that combine, that come together, and that's why we have this over 100 years of experience in this Epic team. So this industry is a leading forex trader also that is become the trainer for Epic. So how come these people wants to work with Epic? Because of the people that in the team, our senior management team are actually very experienced in business, and they also have other experience like with the sports and also sales. So combined with MLM experiences. So a combination of all experts come together, join forces. That's why we also can attract a trader that is really leading traders in the market that would like to join to be part of the trainer of Epic. And this company is also 100% debt-free. So this is Epic leadership, okay? We have David McCarvey. David McCarvey has been in the travel industry and he has earned millions and millions of dollars. So he's a very, very well-to-do in the travel industry, but he's now obviously looking at this Epic and going into this new venture. And also Spencer is actually with the attorney background, so he's also a high-profile attorney with some sports team in America. And we have Mark Sterling, which is a VP sales. And we also have David Basiaga, which is a business development. And Jonathan Green is a global master ambassador. So we know Jonathan. We have had several Zoom with him, and he's someone that is really, really intelligent and very knowledgeable. So we have a lot that we can learn from him. And with Maxine, she's a coach, mainly heads up the Forex training. So we call her Coach Max. So you'll hear her when you actually join the live trading session. What is Forex? I'm sure some of you know. For some that are not very sure, Forex stands for foreign exchange. Yeah, this is an act that actually a buying and selling of currencies. This is used daily by banks, central bank, institutional investors, and individual all around the world. So for people that traveling, they have to buy over the counter as an individual, or bank people transferring money, or investors, or even people doing business, they have to trade using foreign exchange from one country to another. And to be able to learn the forex trading skill is a very portable skill that it will actually benefit you for lives, yeah, because it's a lifelong benefit. Once you learn this skill, you will be able to carry on and keep educating yourself and benefit from that. So, and this is one of the largest financial market in the world. It's over $6 trillion trade per day. So, and it's also trade 24 hours a day and 5 days a week. So, and this industry is basically proven bulletproof. The reason being, during the financial lockdown time, during this crisis of the past 6 or 8 months, everybody is hurting from economy to business closing down and schools closed, and nobody will be able to work. But in this market sector, we are still trading at over $6 trillion per day. So it's meaning even nothing is able to affect this industry. So it's still going for very, very strong. Now, with Epic, what do you get from Epic? You get actually a live session, learning live session to log in as a member. You get daily signals. So you will actually get an email. They will send out daily signals to be able to let you know what to be potential to trade. And you also, what we call Epic University, there is an online course, a 2-week syllabus attached to this online course. And you have market forecast, and yes, it's a fun and interactive trading communities. So you can actually have much more to come also, and to install. Actually, they will have more rewards for members as well as coming. So here is a one-page disclaimer, which is quite a standard disclaimer. So you can read about that a little bit when we can share this file. You can also download this at the back office. If you are already a member, you can log into that and you can download that from the launch.epic trading. So we are going straight into this compensation plan. This compensation plan is very, very straightforward and easy and simple in one page. So what it does is telling you that if you have refer 3 people, you basically get your membership for free. So you can see that 3 in your team, you actually get 300 business volume. You get your weekly, monthly pay for membership for free. You don't have to pay anything, yeah? So as soon as you start building a team of 10, you actually get $125 per week, total of $500 per month. So, and that is very doable for most people, because if one person refer 3 person, so basically you have 12 people in your first and second line included. So for someone to have $500 a month as a residual income, which is quite nice, yeah? So, and if for somebody that wanted to build this business, you can actually build it up to 30 in your team, 80 in your team, or even to 250 people in your team. 250 people for someone that is an active builder, you can actually get $5,000 per month. 250 people is not a huge team, yeah? For people that know about network marketing, sometimes they build thousands of people, 8,000, 10,000 people within their network. So for 250 people in your team, you're already getting paid $5,000. So it's a very, very generous compensation plan. That's what I'm trying to come explain that. So for people that want to keep growing and growing your team to 500 to become an ambassador, you actually have 500 people, and you have 3 legs in this model of network. You have 200 in your first leg, 200 in your second leg, and then you have 100 on your third leg, that you will have a total volume of 50,000, and that will allow you to earn $2,500 per week, and that's in American dollars, and then $10,000 per week. Being American company, so I will just talk in a US dollar in terms of US dollars, okay? So you can convert that into your local currency. So as you grow, your team become bigger, you could have the possibility of earning up to from 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, or all the way up to $500,000 to $1 million. And I have if you already met Amy before, I'm sure some of you already know about Amy. Amy is one of the very seasoned networker. She had built successful network before with other companies, and for her to build a 40,000 people in the network is not hard because she has done that. With her having 40,000 member in her team, she's only able to earn $20,000 per month. But in this case, with Epic, you actually have the opportunity to earn $500,000 per month. So as you can see, for people that already in the network marketing, they know when they see this compensation plan, they will see this is a very, very generous plan. So this is in front of you for you to take advantage of. So is a very, very brand new company. So we are still in the pre-launch stage. So we actually launched on the 1st of September, pre-launch, I should say. And they were aiming for 40,000 for the month of September. And actually, at this point of time, less than 2 weeks, we already have close to 40,000 already. So now I think it's more than 40,000 probably. So for pre-launch, we are actually offering everyone to quickly secure a spot for themselves, and that's only costing you $19.99, which is about $20 US dollars. And you actually already getting 4 live Zoom presentation daily. You can learn from that. And also we will be going live, physically going live on October 1st. So the company will have an official launch on October 1st. And for people that are real builder, you have 500 people in your team. You are on the way to ambassador, obviously, and you get the retreat to Mexico. Apparently, you're going to Mexico for sure. So how to become Epic? So firstly, go back to the person that refer you to this Zoom. They will provide you with their link for you to sign up and to lock in a position at pre-launch today for only $19.99. Okay, this $19.99 for now is only for September. As from 1st of October, it will cost $99 to join. So for you to secure a spot now and start building your team from today, in October 9 will be your first paycheck. How exciting is that? So you can start thinking about how to structure and build your organization and get ready in October to get your first paycheck in October ready, which I'm sure some of your team people are getting there already, and some of them already have more than 12 people and probably start building the third line already. So you can actually, what is the value do you get from this $19.99? Straight away, you get the live trading session, the training section, you can test drive. Basically, you want to buy the car, you go for test drive, you pay $19.99, you get to test the system, you get to see this experience, and this experience whether you want to learn to trade or you want to build a team. So there's two arms to the business. Some people are builders, some people are more like a trader. They say, yes, I'm only interested in trading. So yes, if they want to be trading only, trading members, that will be $99 per month. And then for people that want to build a team, they have to refer 3 people, and then obviously they can refer more than 3, but minimum of 3 under the network, they're active members, and they will actually get that membership for free. So this is where we're at with the pre-launch stage. Allow everyone to try to lock in a spot and then start building the team from today. So now this is just an example to tell you how you're going to build your team. With this model of business, obviously the middle person is yourself, and then you have to build these 3 persons. So it's a model of 1 + 3 + 3. Yeah. So basically, you teach your 3 people, your first line, to multiply and get another 3 people, and then you have what we call a left leg, a middle leg, and a right leg. So the volume works with, you got to have a 40% volume on your first left leg, 40% in your middle leg, and 20% on your right leg. So to earn a $500 per month, so what you need to do, this is exactly what you're looking at, okay? You will have 4 people on your left, 4 people on your right, normally a minimum of 2 on your right team. So that's how you work. So, but if you have 1 person plus 3, yourself refer 3, the other 3 refer 3, you're already on the way to a $500 a month. $500 a month, so easy. And I would like to see everybody here today to be able to qualify for this $5 per month. Yeah? So that's the aim to get your first aim. And obviously you can aim for $2,000 a month, $3,000, $5,000 a month, whatever. But at least you have to see everyone to get this first step and get the $500 to get you excited and at least get your first paycheck by 9th of October. So to secure a $250 weekly pay, which will equal to $1,000 per month, this is how it works. So, okay, you can see that. You will need 12 people on your left, 12 people in the middle leg, and then another 6. So you get leg 1, leg 2, and leg 3, which is 6 people. This is where you will get a monthly pay of a month, $1,000 per month and $250. So they have to maintain an active membership. It's either they refer 3, they themselves get a free membership, and then these 3 people they're referring as a downline, they have to be active membership to be counted as active leg. Yeah. Now, for anything more than $250 per week, that is what we call $500 per week. The next step, it will be you will have 30 people plus 15 people in your 3 different legs. So you can have from $2,000 per month to $5,000, $10,000, and $20,000 and $50,000 to the keep going. So basically, this is how it works, and then you also keep growing to the ambassador level, allow you to all the way to earn up to $1 million as a referral bonus. So it's a very, very generous bonus to be earned here, and you can aim high. Obviously, the bigger the aim, the better it is, and you can work hard from now and start seeing the benefit and structure from your first paycheck will be on the 9th of October, and I'm sure everybody can't wait. And also, they are actually in the preparation of next generation of millionaire. For kids, Epic Kids. Epic Kids is within anybody about the 12 plus. They actually will be able to learn to trade, and they actually getting the young people to teach the younger kids from 12 to 17 years of age. Because when they are 18, they are eligible to join the standard Epic, join Epic Kids. So this is a new program. You can teach your kid how to learn how to multiply their wealth and how to I guess learn and earn from the financial market. Yeah. So lock in your position today. This is an opportunity for you before the end of September to actually see this opportunity. Make use of the live Zoom and educate yourself from this financial education sector that is proven to be very, very lucrative.